Hi, this is Gene St. Clair with Humanproof. I got a great question the other day when someone asked me, why would a human factors engineer be working on drones? Aren't these supposed to be unmanned vehicles? This is an easy trap to fall into because of the words we're using. We think just because we've taken the man out of the aircraft that we've taken humans out of the system, but this couldn't be further from the truth. In reality, what we've done is move the cockpit from an airborne platform to a ground-based control station. In this way, we've actually retained a lot of the legacy cockpit design issues we had before, but we've complicated things a little bit because now we're adding a little more complexity to the situation by asking UAV operators to manage multiple vehicles. We're asking them to maintain situational awareness when they can't just look out the window to see and avoid other aircraft. And we're also asking folks who may not have been trained as pilots in the traditional way to interact with an air traffic control system that's used to managing general aviation and commercial air traffic. These are just a few of the new human factors considerations having to do with unmanned vehicles. Thanks for watching, and for more 1-minute wisdom, hit that subscribe button below, and remember, it's not finished until it's human-proof.